so much, Dr. Smiling Pike Alain, U-Boat, Ray-Ban, Levi's, Dockers, and Adidas.
Fans, mga sumot team Manila, maraming salamat. Narito na ang ating huling grupo, pare. Gusto daw nitong grupong to na sa pamagitan ng kanilang musika, pare, mapagaan ang loob ng mga taong nalulungkot at medyo may pinagdadaanan.
Ito na, mula sa Novaliches, Quezon City, Teddy and the Beat Force. It's showtime! Good morning!
Good morning, good morning, madam people! At syempre, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga hurado! Kami po ay nagmula sa barangay! Quezon City! Isa sa may pinagmamalaki, may magandang simbahan na malinis, ang San Bartolome Parish Church! This is our show! This is our shot! It's showtime!
Tama na tayo. Hands up, come on! Hands up, come on! Hands up, come on! Hands up, come on! Jump up, come on! Jump up, come on! Jump up, come on! Jump up, come on! Hit it! Party make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Party make me go all out. Up in here, up in here. Party make me act a fool. Up in here, up in here. Party make me lose my cool. Up in here, up in here. 1, 2, meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside. Oh my don't meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside. Oh my big girl, don't meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside. Oh my black-eyed ladies, don't meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside. Oh my sweet was don't meet me outside, meet me outside, meet me outside. I'm here to report for some people, come on. You know what it is when we do what we do. If good girls get down to the floor, tell me how low will a bad girl go? She probably pick it up, drop it down real slow. Either that or she's upside down on the floor. And swing I grab the knot, throw it up in the sky. Then it comes down slow, watch you apply. Front to the back, then front to the side. Then you head back, watch you for the line. And how it goes down all night long. She's sticking my ears and she loves my song. This is why I'm hot, she got it on her phone. Top 10 downloads, number 1 ringtones. I'm in my phone, what's but it weekends, say I'm too much, but I got what you need all night. It's alright, we can dance, but you gotta keep it up a little something like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Baby, do you want it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this? Just tell me if you want it like this.
Mga barangay, San Bartolome, Novaliches, Quezon City. Guys, ang maganda niyan, hindi sila magkakagrupo. Nag-audition sila at pinagsama na lang yung grupo nila kasi may solo tas may 4 na dancer. Yan, magugulat na lang ako.
Masasabi ko sa'yo sa Teddy, lakas mo, Ben! Pero ang tanong, ang lakas mo din ba sa ating madlang people? Kay Kim Jux and Teddy Baza.
Silipin mo na tayo mga people na pinakamabilis na rapper sa buong mundo. Si Ricky Brown or No Clue. Sa 120 syllables in 41 seconds lamang. Mga people, ready na ba kayo dyan?